Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Welcome to the class 5. This is your 5 class book, SST book, and I am your 5 class SST teacher Sajid Naseem from Behriya Foundation College, Nusheiro Firoz. Students, look at this book. We are going to read this book during our 5 class. There are 11 chapters in the book. We will cover almost 6 chapters in our first term, and remaining chapter will be discussed during the next term. Okay, so let's start now. Our first chapter is landforms. What is the name of our first chapter? Landforms. What are the landforms? What are the landforms? Do you know? Students, Allah has blessed our world with very beautiful landforms. All places are not similar on the land. There are mountains at some areas, there are desert at some areas, there are rivers, seas or valleys. These different kinds of landform produce a beauty on the land. All these kinds is the beauty of land. This variation or the different kinds of variety produce the beauty. So, what is our topic today? That is landforms of the earth. In this chapter, we will discuss different landforms like mountains, rivers, sea, plateau, deserts or other kinds of landforms. Students, look at this picture. How many types of landform you can see in this picture? You can see 6 types of landforms. Many are others. There are mountains in this picture. There are also hills in this picture. Valleys, desert and plains, also plateau in this picture. Now this is another picture. What you can see in this picture? Can you see the mountain, plateau, plains, coastal plains, deserts or islands? All these are different kinds of the landforms. There are some kinds which you already know, but there are some kinds of landforms which will be new for you. So, first of all, let's start from the fold mountains. First of all, let me tell you what is a mountain. Mountain is a part of land which is thousands of meters above the land surface. A part of land which is thousands of meters above the land surface is called the mountain. This is a mountain, and tip of mountain is called the peak. What is tip of mountain? Tip of the mountains are called the peaks. Do you know which is the highest mountain in the world? Okay, you will tell me which is the highest mountain of the world, and I will wait for your answer. You will also tell me which is the highest mountain of the Pakistan. Students, if I say mountains can move like clouds, will you believe me? Yes, it's true. Mountains can move. Mountains move like clouds, and the shape of mountains keep changing due to this movement. It looks strange, but it is true. But this movement is so slow that we can't notice it even. We can't imagine it. It takes millions of the years to change the shape of the mountain due to its movement. The largest mountain which is found in Himalaya range is also example of this fold mountain. Himalaya, it is a very big mountain range present in Asia. In this mountain range, mountains keep changing their shape due to movement of their parts. So, due to this movement, mountains keep changing their shapes in Himalaya. So, these are the fold mountains. Now, our next is the cliff. Next landform is cliff. What are cliffs? These are high steep faces of rocks. These are very high steep faces of rocks. You will understand it by looking at this picture. Look at this. This is a cliff, a vertical rock which is looks very dangerous to climb up on it. Student, how this cliff is formed? This cliff is formed as a result of erosion and weathering. Now what does these two words erosion and weathering means? इरोजन क्या होता है कि जब बहुत तेज़ हवा चलती है या बहुत तेज़ी से पानी गुजरता है तो वो रॉक की एक साइड वाली मिट्टी को अपने साथ ले जाता है. एज अ रिजल्ट रॉक की शेप चेंज हो जाती है, इस शेप में आ जाता है. और वेदरिंग क्या होता है? रॉक के टूटने फूटने के अमल को वेदरिंग कहते हैं. तो लुक एट दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज अ क्लिफ. आवर नेक्स्ट लैंडफॉर्म इज बे. A bay is body of water mostly surrounded by the land. A body of water which is mostly surrounded by the land. Okay. Now, next landform is peninsula. What is peninsula? They are the area of land that extend out into the sea from land water. Okay. These are the area of the land that extend out into the sea from the land. Look at this picture. This is a peninsula. It is a part of the land which extend into the sea. ज़मीन का वो हिस्सा जो समुंदर के अंदर तक फैल जाए. Look, this blue color is showing you a ocean and green color is showing a peninsula. ज़मीन का वो हिस्सा जो समुंदर के अंदर तक चला जाए उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? पेनिनसुला. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ पेनिनसुला. नाउ वैली. व्हाट इज वैली? वैली इज द लैंड बिटवीन द फुट ऑफ टू माउंटेन रेंजेस. दो माउंटेन के बीच की जो जगह होती है उसे हम वैली कहते हैं. वैली इज द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ द लैंड. इट इज़ वेरी फर्टाइल. बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें ग्रीनरी होती है, बहुत वेजिटेशन और बहुत खूबसूरत होती है. वैली इज़ द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ द लैंड. इट इज़ द फर्टाइल पार्ट ऑफ द लैंड. एंड लुक एट दिस. दिस इज़ द नीलम वैली. डू यू नो वेयर इट इज़? इट इज़ इन पाकिस्तान. It is Neelam Valley found in Pakistan. Look at the beauty of the valley. Very green vegetation and very beautiful part. This is also a picture of Neelam Valley. This is also a picture of the Neelam Valley. This is another picture of Neelam Valley. Beautiful Neelam Valley. It's very beautiful, very green, very vegetative part of the Pakistan. So, student, what is your homework? You have to read all these landforms and you have to solve the exercise 1, book page number 10. What is that? Fill in the blanks. And book page 11, match the landform with the picture. Okay, I am waiting for your homework. Thank you so much.